Nawawalang signal ba ang iyong problema sa inyong smartphone? Probably siraan na ang iyong SIM card, laspag, palipat-lipat kayo ng phone, paiba-iba ng phone, nagagasgas, nalalaspag ang iyong SIM card. So, probably one of the best way is siyempre pumunta sa service center or sa, telecom na center. It's probably the best action na pwede nyo gawin. But of course, siyempre, hindi tayo lahat gustong pumunta sa service center. And of course, prepaid ang SIM ko na ito. And I would teach you how to do it yourself sa smart. Siyempre, panoorin nyo ang buong video na ito. So, hi guys! Ako pala si Richmond ng Gadget, Sidekick, and welcome back to my channel. So, right now, walang signal ang aking SIM card. So, no SIM card inserted. Kahit may SIM card ako nakasalpak. And pakita ko sa inyo na meron nga talagang SIM card na nakasalpak. And it's a smart SIM. So, upon pulling it out, makita natin, it's definitely a SIM card. It's a nano SIM. And it's a 5G powered na SIM card. And kita natin, no doubt, it's a smart SIM. Now, kahit anong gawin ko, palipat-lipat na ibang phone, wala talagang signal. I think nalaspag na tong SIM na to or whatever happened along the way. So, what we'll do today is to buy what we call a LTE upgrade SIM from Smart. So, pwede itong magamit across these three carriers, Smart, TNT, and Sun. Well, Sun, wala na. So, what we need to do is just, of course, open this up. Inside, makita mo instruction how to do everything. Okay, so this is the SIM card that you need. Okay, so probably the only thing that you need to do is to do it yourself right now. First thing to do is definitely to remove the SIM card that's existing inside your phone. Now, since tinanggal ko na and wala na SIM, all I need to do right now is to insert the new SIM. So, since it's a nano SIM, all I need to do is just push it out since triple cut naman siya. And don't you worry, kahit LTE siya, makakasagap to ng 5G. Yan ang sabi ni Smart, it's a guarantee. Since it's a long-term evolution of SIM, so 5G is included sa long-term evolution niya. So definitely, you don't need a 5G SIM just for it to work. Now, next is to wait for it to load. And kita natin, question mark, ang kanyang signal. Okay? So it's not X. So, meaning na X, sira na yung SIM card. So, tingnan natin. Okay, so right now, punta lang tayo sa settings. Let's just drop it down. Tingnan natin ito. So right now, meron siya nakikitang SIM card. Okay, definitely. And all we need to do is just key in some commands and after a few while. So right now, kita natin, meron na tayo signal. And we have received a message from 3723. Now, to proceed with SIM upgrade, reply to this message with your mobile number. Example, then, of course, so mag-reply na tayo ng number ng phone ko. So, 09, o naman number nito, i-reply lang natin. So, most of the time, ang number is naka-print sa likod ng yung SIM card, na lumang SIM card, and all you need to do is just send. Okay? So, send lang natin. Antay lang natin. So, makaka-receive tayo message in around 15 minutes according kay Smart. So, konting pasensya lang. So, we just need to wait for it. Kaya guys, nakita na natin, meron na lipat na yung number ko dito sa SIM2 and it's perfectly working na right now. So, checking some APN. And I believe that this SIM is already perfectly working. And like I said, nakapagsagap na siya ng 5G signal right now. Kahit LTE SIM pa siya. So guys, if you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click mo na rin ang bell icon para magkaroon tayo ng more tutorials like this one on my channel. And so, this is Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up?